Good morning, students. Welcome to English session. Okay. In the previous class, we learned already how buy a built-in nest. How buy a built-in nest. This lesson we learned how they build. Yes. In the today's class, we will enter the next lesson. So that is fourth lesson. What's our lesson? Yuki and the tsunami. Yuki and the tsunami. Yes. Who is Yuki and what is tsunami? Let's see the lesson. Yes. Let us read this Japanese folk tale about a boy who helps his village with his quick thinking. Yes, it is a Japanese story, Nana. It is a Japan story, and here one boy is there. He helps to her villager. He helps to his villagers to with his quick thinking. Quick thinking తోటి తను ఏదో హెల్ప్ చేస్తాడంట తన వాళ్ళ యొక్క విలేజర్స్ కి ఏం హెల్ప్ చేస్తాడో చూద్దాం. ఓకే. Yuki's father and mother are standing outside their home. They are getting ready for a festival that night to celebrate a fine rice harvest. They are carrying paper lanterns, baskets of food, flowers and other kinds of decorations. Yes, but here one boy is there. The boy name is Yuki. Boy name is Yuki. He is a very clever boy and very intelligent. Chala telikalaadanta Yuki. Okay na? So what happens? Yuki's father and mother are standing outside their home. Yes, Yuki father and mother came to outside of his home. వాళ్ళంట యుకి ఫాదర్ అండ్ మదర్ ఏం చేశారన్న వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి బయట నిలబడ్డారంట. ఎందుకు చూద్దాం. దే ఆర్ గెటింగ్ రెడీ ఫర్ ఎ ఫెస్టివల్ దట్ నైట్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ ఎ ఫైన్ రైస్ హార్వెస్ట్. ఎస్, దే ఆర్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్ one festival, so that's why they are decorating their homes totally. So that's why they are standing outside. How they are celebrating? They are carrying paper lanterns, baskets of food, flowers and other kind of decorations. Okay, they will celebrate one festival. So that's why they decorated their homes. How they are decorating them? They are making paper flowers, lanterns, some garlands, baskets, lighting arrangements, everything they are doing. In our homes also we are decorating very nicely, no? In the Diwali, yes, we are arranging the lights, candles, like this. In the Japanese also they are celebrating the one festival. What is the festival name? Fine rice harvest. Fine rice harvest. This is a Japanese festival. Fine rice harvest. How they are celebrating? So they totally decorated with their homes by using paper lanterns. It's a lights, nana. Baskets of food. Why they are preparing food? Yes, to eat for eating. They made different types of foods, sweets, flowers and other kinds of decorations. So Yuki also helping his parents to decorate the homes outside of the home. So what he is doing? Mother, here is a garland to put across the door. I made it with a paper flowers. Yes, Yuki made a paper garland. So you have to use across the door. So what he is doing? I made it, mom. I made it with the paper flowers. So Yuki's made one paper garland. Garland means dandan paper tota garland chesadu. Tanu ekkada use cheyalanuntunnadu? Outside of the home. So that's why he said to his mother, Ma, I made this paper garland. So please hang our main entrance. Like that he is saying. So mother, what she said, thank you Yuki, it's very beautiful. She looks around at the people and smiles. We have had a very good harvest this year. The villagers are also very happy. I do wish your grandmother was alive to see the year's harvest. She was also very wise woman. So her son did very beautiful garland. So his mother felt very happy. Oh, my son did very nicely. He is a very clever person. So like this, he felt very happy. So finally, he hung the garland at the outside of the home. And one more, we have had a very good harvest this year. The villagers also very happy. Why? Because villagers also very happy, all are celebrating very well. Why? Because I do wish your grandmother was alive to see this year's harvest. She was a very wise woman. Yes, Yuki's grandmother said to villagers how to crops and how to store the crops. ఎస్ ఇలాంటి ఎలా పంటలు ఎలా పండించాలి వీటి గురించి మొత్తం విలేజెస్ కి ఎవరు చెప్పారంట యుకి వాళ్ళ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ వాళ్ళ నానమ్మ చెప్పిందంట సో దట్స్ వై తన యొక్క ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ని ఫాలో అయ్యి వాళ్ళు చాలా బాగా పంట పండించారంట సో దే ఆర్ ఈవెన్ విలేజెస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ హ్యాపీ ద గ్రాండ్ మదర్ గివెన్ గైడెన్స్ టు ఆల్ ద విలేజెస్ ఇలా చేయండి అలా చేయండి అని గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చుకుంటూ అందరికి చెప్పిందంట So I do wish your grandmother was alive to see us harvest. So sad. తన మన గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఇప్పుడు ఉంటుందంటే చాలా సంతోషపడేది ఈ క్రాప్స్ చూసి బట్ నౌ షీ ఈస్ నో మోర్ తను ఇప్పుడు అవన్నీ చూద్దామంటే తను లేదంట షీ డైడ్ ఆల్రెడీ సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ షీ వాజ్ ఎ వెరీ వైస్ ఉమెన్ సో ఈవెన్ షీ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ వెరీ టాలెంట్ షీ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ and she is a very wise person like that Yuki's mother said to Yuki, yes ma, I miss her too. She taught me how to watch the ocean and how to understand the waves. She also taught me how to look after the rice crop. Even Yuki also worrying very sadly. Yes ma, I miss my grandmother. తను కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఉండేది ఉంటే మనతో పాటు హ్యాపీగా ఉండేది సో దే ఆర్ రిమెంబరింగ్ దేర్ ఓల్డ్ డేస్ ని గుర్తు చేసుకుంటున్నారు షీ థాట్ మీ హౌ టు వాచ్ ద ఓషన్ అండ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద వేవ్స్ ఎస్ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఇస్ వెరీ వైస్ పర్సన్ సో హీ సెడ్ టు హిస్ గ్రాండ్ సన్ how to watch ocean, what the meaning of waves means nana alalu vastayi kada samudramlo so what is the meaning of waves how it is look like ocean and how to look after the crops, how to produce the crops ivanni పంటలు ఎలా పండించాలి వాటికి ఏమేమి ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి అవన్నీ యూకి చెప్పింది విలేజెస్ కి చెప్పింది కదా ఈవెన్ యూకి ఆల్సో రిమెంబరింగ్ నాకు నానమ్మ ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ చెప్పిందమ్మా మనతో పాటు ఇప్పుడు లేదని కొంచెం బాధపడుతుంది షీ ఆల్సో థాట్ మీ హౌ టు లుక్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్రైస్ట్ క్రాప్ దెన్ మదర్ ఇస్ సేడ్ we all miss her but let's get back to the festival. There is a lot of work to be done. I am going to the fields, make sure the decorations are up before I am back. Yes, we are all missing our grandmother. Yes, manandaram kuda grandmother ni miss avutunnam. Okay, but what can we do? Manam em cheyalem. Let's celebrate this festival. There is a lot of work is there. So I am going to fields nana. So this 5 days festival they are celebrating in their fields tana వాళ్ళ పొలాల దగ్గర జరుపుకుంటున్నారంట సో lot of work is there so that's why I am going to the field. నేను మన యొక్క ఫీల్డ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతా అని చెప్తాను. మేక్ షూర్ ద డెకరేషన్స్ ఆర్ అప్ బిఫోర్ ఐ యామ్ బ్యాక్. ఎస్ మీరు కూడా నేను వచ్చే వరకు అన్ని డెకరేషన్స్ అన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయండి అని mother, chapter, Yuki's mother say. Mother leaves Yuki working. Some village children come by dancing and laughing, beating on drums and playing pipes. Yuki joins them. Suddenly everybody stops. Yes, all the villagers are also very happy. All the children also very happily. So why? Because they are all doing very they are doing some activities. What are doing? They are doing dancing, laughing, beating drums and playing pipes. So they felt చాలా మంది అందరు పిల్లలు అందరూ గ్యాదర్ అయ్యి మంచిగా ఆడుకుంటున్నారు అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నారు డాన్సెస్ సాంగ్స్ yes that is a festival so they are all are gathering in the certain place and they are doing very enjoy చేస్తున్నారు dancing laughing beating drums playing also even Yuki also joined to another boys are there no so Yuki also joined. Suddenly everybody stops. What happened? Yes. Suddenly what happens? Everybody stops. So everybody they totally strange. What happens? Everybody stops. What happens? Let's see. Yuki and the other children is saying, what was that? The earth moved. What happens? The earth moved. Earth అనేది కదిలినట్టు అనిపించిందంట. Yes, the earth moves again. The children drop their drums and crouch low on the ground. The moment stops and the children get up. They look around hesitantly, scared at first, then gradually laughing with relief. So they are enjoying themselves only. So what suddenly the earth is moved. కొంచెం భూమి కదిలినట్టు అనిపించి ఏమైందంట అందరూ ఆగిపోయారు ఏమైంది వాట్ ద ఎర్త్ ఈస్ మూవింగ్ సో లైక్ దట్ దే ఆర్ షౌటింగ్ yes totally the fell down their total items అన్ని కింద పడిపోయాయంట so low on the ground the movement stops and the children get up they look around hesitating means they are seeing very doubtfully what happens in our surroundings what happened all items are fell down so why like this is coming scared at first then gradually laughing after some time the earth moved stopped so what happened finally gradually they are very relaxed oh my god now in our surroundings what happened all items totally fell down so like that they are very worried the children then Yuki was said yes that was an earthquake earthquake means what Nana? earthquake means bhukampam antam chudandi yes that was an earthquake then children said it was yes I think it is correct but it has stopped and we are safe okay the earthquake is come but after some time it stopped so now we are safe ఇంకా ఇప్పుడైతే అలా లేదు కాబట్టి మనం చాలా సేఫ్గా ఉన్నట్టే అనుకొని రిలాక్స్ అయ్యామంట దెన్ యూకి సెడ్ wait look at that the sea is going backwards away from our village I remember what grandmother used to say the sea looks dark and goes back before it tsunami the village children stare at where Yuki is pointing okay children said now we are relaxing there is no earth is moving now we are very lucky fellows like that they are totally saying but Yuki is saying no just wait look at the sea sorry scene chudandi look at the sea means samudram look at the sea is going backwards away from our village yes the waves come the waves comes our village. ఆ waves అన్ని మన village దగ్గరకు వస్తున్నాయి చూడండి ఒకసారి అని అంటున్నాడు. I remember what grandmother used to say. The sea looks dark and it goes back before. It is a tsunami. Yes, my grandmother said to me sometimes the sea look like very dark and the waves is back from back before. It is a yes, it is a quality. The quality of tsunami. So what's happened? It is tsunami only. Yes. Now after some time again the tsunami will come. I know the sea is looking very dark and the waves are coming to our village. So all are be alert like that Yuki saying. But no one is listen the Yuki word. So what happens finally? Let's see in the next class. Okay.